Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Sabreena Haque, assistant teacher of Science, National Ideal English Bursary School, D-Ship. Dear student, today I am going to take a science test for class 5 student based on chapter 10, and today we will discuss the first part of the chapter. Dear students, the name of the chapter 10 is Information in Our Life. We receive a lot of information every day. This information is increasing at a rapid pace. Some information is correct, but some are incorrect. We need to acquire the proper skill to find, understand and evaluate and use information. That means if you are thinking about the cricket match, just we are observing which is holding now, the Bangladesh and Australia cricket match you are observing, and you are informing to your friends then Bangladesh won or not, how many runs do Bangladesh have to chase or how many wicket they got, and that information you are getting from watching the television, and you are sharing with your friends or your family members who are staying outside and who can't observe the television that time. Now look at this picture. This is a picture of cyclone, and this type of news the weather news we get from the media like the TV, radio or internet, and when we get that information we have to share the information with our friends, and first the skill we have to make that information is correct or incorrect. We have to understand and evaluate and use that information properly. Now come to the first lesson of the chapter, importance of the information sharing. Dear students, information is very important for our life. Information enables us to know something new and decide what to do. Therefore, we have to know and share information among us. Information sharing is an activity through which information is exchanged among friends, family and other people. Look, this is the picture of information sharing. Your father come from outside, he heard some news from others and he is saying to among of you, that means to your family, and that is also information sharing. And if you watch the television, you can get the various types of information, like now the present situation, the COVID-19 disease is going on, and we can get all the information of COVID-19 and about the vaccination of COVID-19 from the television. This is also information sharing. And if you got the news from the television and when you are saying to your neighboring and family members and friends, this is also important because this is information sharing. And this is the picture of ICT, and it's also sharing information. It also makes our sharing information easier. It can help people to keep safe, promote their well-being and prevent harm. Importance of sharing information in our personal, social and national life is immense. For example, when any contagious disease like flu goes around in our country, the information would be shared through media to reduce the risk of that flu. The meteorologists forecast that there will be a tidal upsurge. This news should be shared through different media so that life and assets of many coastal people can be saved. National assets like fishing boat and cargo of sea can be saved by finding a safe place. We can share information in many ways, such as having a talk with others or writing letters. Today, information and communication technology, that is ICT, the short form of information and communication technology, is common tool that helps people share information. Computer, internet, email, TV, radio and mobile phone are the examples of ICT. ICT makes it easier for people to communicate with others and collect, store, exchange, spread or use information. Now come to next lesson. That lesson is collection, storage and exchange of information. In today's lesson, we will only discuss how to collect information through the internet, and nowadays we are used to find the information in the internet, and we can collect information by using books, newspaper. Just now I am giving the information to you from your books, and the books is a source of information, and daily news or daily information we can get from the newspaper. Not only daily information, the information about the current affairs and about the national news and about international news, all we get from the newspaper, TV or radio. And the internet enable us to collect information more easily. The internet is a huge network of computers together all over the world, and this is the definition of internet. You have to learn that. We can collect information we need through the internet by using computers or mobile phones. Besides, we can share self-innovation and collected information with the help of internet. Now, these following steps you have to learn, because you will get the question answer from this part of the page. The following are the basic steps of collecting information through the internet. Use search engines such as Google, Yahoo and Pipilika. Students, Pipilika is a Bengali search engine. The second step is type keyword relevant to the topic you are searching for into the search bar and click search or press enter key on your keyboard. And third step is search through the list of web pages to find the information you need. And if you do not get the information you need, that time you have to follow the fourth step. Repeat above 3 steps as necessary, or choose new keywords that are more or less specific and thus search the information you need. Dear students, this is your homework number 5. You have to make 5 fill in the blanks. You have to write 5 fill in the blanks from first part of the chapter, and you have to submit on Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM. Dear students, this chapter is too important to you. Read the chapter properly and do the SW, submit it. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.